Hi, I'm Justin Conway. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a row or a column in Microsoft Excel by just using your keyboard. There's actually a few different ways to do this. The easiest way is by selecting your row or column. So for this instance, we'll select column B and then just simply hit Control I. And as you can see, you got a new row, new column there. If you want to insert a new row, let's go over to row 5, Control I.